I didn't want to adult today.
My baby, my Valentine. Then I hear the making my temperature the rise. Feeling me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love ain't it, don't me. I am so excited.
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. Let's get started. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to another productive morning routine. I know you guys probably saw that meme that says start your day off by making your bed every morning for success or some crap like that. Anyways, I'm working on it. Normally, I just hop up out of bed, get ready for the gym, and go. And then when I get back home, I'll make my bed. So I'm learning how to make my bed before I leave. I don't know if it's something I'm going to keep, but we're working on it. I was trying not to do the coffee. I was trying to take a break actually from coffee, but I was feeling so sluggish that I know if I didn't have caffeine, I was just going to go back upstairs and get in bed and restart the day tomorrow because I just wasn't feeling it today. I was very much crampy and irritable, and I did not want to be bothered at all. And that's fine. Some days are like that. But I know I have a goal because I need to be snatched and looking good this summer. So I know I had to get up and get my butt to the gym by any means and also stick to my routine if I'm trying to be successful for this entire year. So this is my little pep talk from hubby. Get your ish together.
Little flipper. My girl Leah.
Sunshine, I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. Maybe we could spend some time. I could be your sunshine.
I decided to make some tea to help boost my mood, and I found this flower tea in my pantry. I don't know how long I've had it for, probably a long time now, but it tastes horribly by itself. So what I do is I cut up a couple of slices of lemon and I add the tea to the lemon, and then I squeeze lemon juice on top of it. That makes it taste so much better. I don't know why it took me this long just to eat my breakfast, and yet still I didn't completely eat it. I took breaks and then came back and all I had was eggs. So at this point, I'm trying to cut out bread. I'm still working on the rice, y'all. I'm still working on the rice. Bear with me.
I could call you my baby boy. You could call me your baby girl. Maybe we could spend some time. I can be your sunshine.
Excuse me, baby, but I really just have to tell you this. It's been a while since I'd admiring your tenderness. Your Coca-Cola bottle shape and all your cherry lips. And you alone, me want to hug love up and then make kiss. I want to show you I'm a man that very romantic. But choose a very choose a girl, that's why me never itch. Nothing can do you see me now when you me want to strip. Me girl, them a sing this and get you licked. Y'all tell me them no response, but them want a man from the Brooklyn crew. Y'all tell me them no response for Sue, but them want a man from evil ranks too. But from a God bless girl, big up your chest. You have your own a man, girl, you're not fret. Some girl waiting and can't excel yet. But New York now go fret, cause girl a sing.
My love language is act of service. So I may not be affectionate, I may not be lovey-dovey all the time, but to show my love and appreciation, I bring you things. I cook for you. I treat you. You will always have a meal. You'll always have that. You know, I don't know how to fully explain it, but if I have it, you have it.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my earnings. If you're in my mind, it's a warning. Praying to the one you're lying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind.
just a reminder, I am a certified yoga teacher. For those of you guys that are new or don't know that information, I am a certified yoga teacher. I have 200 hours certified. This is my peace. This is my escape. I used to teach. I don't teach anymore because I felt as if it took away from my practice. And this is my go-to. Yes, I love my shower. Yes, I love my alone time. But doing yoga clears my mind. And especially when you're cramping and you're not feeling like it, try doing like a breathing technique outside. Try doing a sun salutation to help you just get through the day. If you are looking for sun salutation videos, I do have one on my channel. I only did about 15 minutes of yoga, but it did help to clear my mind and help me to get back on track, which is what I wanted. I think that sometimes I'm more in my head when I'm cramping. I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't do it. It's too much. But once I get out of my head and get out of my way, I realize that, okay, I've conquered the mental part. I could definitely conquer the physical because half the time it's the mental that's stopping us from doing whatever we need to do. During my last video, I talked about not sharing my daily devotion. I'm going to continue to share it because it's not something that I'm ashamed of. I do pray and I do believe and I do thank God every day. I just didn't want to share my personal practice, but I feel like others need to see it. Maybe that would motivate somebody else to take up their morning devotional and take up a prayer diary or a prayer book. So I'm leaving it in. See if I could get it. We call it Chinese plum. Ooh, there's a batch right here. But there's a cobweb. There's a cobweb and I'm not going over there. But we have a nice batch. I'm gonna get my husband to get it. Corey, there's one hanging right here in the yard, but look at this cobweb. Look at this cobweb. See, it's a trap. But look at the fruits. They're all coming in. Oh wow, there's more. There's lots more up top.
Let's go in the back. Front of the other. The whole one. Yes.
So I did it. The one thing I was dreading this morning was my workout, and I got it done. Now I can just relax. It's that easy. I tell y'all, I had a slow morning. My alarm went off this morning and I didn't want to I didn't want to I didn't want to adult today. I didn't want to adult today. Even during my workout, I didn't want to adult. Yeah, we're about to take a shower. So this is my second or third happy place, which is my shower. This is my escape, and I wanted the aromatherapy eucalyptus oil. I just wanted to fill the room, and it smells so good. My allergies are kicking in, and this literally cleared up my nose. And I also use a eucalyptus body wash, so the whole shower smelled like a spa. It was so sensational. It was so sensational. It was so It was so sensational. So I go with the philosophy, if you look good, you feel good. So this is what I'm attempting to do today, right now. My little funk is gone, so I'm feeling a little better. I'm feeling much better. Yeah, just some days you just don't feel like nothing. I got up this. By the way, I made this last night. I was supposed to make, I wish I would have recorded it too, but I was supposed to make a Mexican bowl with yellow rice, and instead of ground beef, we used ground turkey, but I ended up making like an Indian bowl. I used my butter, my butter chicken sauce that I got from Ross. It's in the trash now, child. But it's a butter chicken sauce. I got it from Ross. I put it all over the turkey. It's so good. So good. But yeah. Let's have our lunch. Outside is so windy. I think after this I want to go to the post office too, because I have stuff from, I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'm going on vacation. I'm going on vacation next month. So it's time to start shopping, and I get a little crazy. So I got some stuff from Fashion Nova, but I have to return like 3 things, 2 different orders, because one they had a 50% off, and I got a shirt that didn't fit, titty problems, and then I got another dress, this denim dress that was so gorgeous. It's like a half. If I can, I'll insert a picture. I got that, but it was too small, and everyone in the comments says that it stretches. It didn't, so I have to return that and get a bigger size, or just get the money and get something else. And then I bought this dress that looks, I'll insert a picture, looks so beautiful online, but when I got it, it looked very trash and cheapy, and I was like, yeah, no, give me my money back. And it was like $30. Look at my nail. Look at my nail. I don't think you guys could see how bad it is. Like the entire top part is gone. This video goes to show that not every day needs to be a productive day. Not every day I wake up and do a million things on my list. but I was still able to get things done. I still made a way to the gym. I still find mental health breaks. I still did my devotion. I made my bed. I took my bath. I find time for myself throughout the day, and I got a lot of work done. I may not have shown a lot of it on screen, but it was still a productive day. May not have been as busy how my other productive vlogs are, but sometimes you need that break. That's why I say it's not best to have a busy routine or a routine that you have to constantly stick to, because sometimes it does get overwhelmed, and some days, girl, you just don't be feeling like it. Okay, you just don't want to get up. You don't want to adult. You don't want to be in that space. And that's fine. Just have a slow morning, have a slow day. Tomorrow you'll get up and kick it again. Yes, nobody here. Listen, I love working from home, especially in the mornings when everybody's at work. Everywhere is so empty. Like the post office, there's no line, there's nothing. I love it. Well, not morning. So this is in the afternoon. In the morning, I know it's a little bit busy with all the senior citizen and everybody that's trying to get their work done before they go into the office. I'll probably come back and rent a box because we're getting packages now and I don't want everybody to have my address. So I'll probably come and rent a storage unit.
I am so obsessed. I want to go to your
Sorry this video ended abruptly. I was not feeling filming today. Anyways, I went home and I had to get a lot of work done. So I just focused on work. So I'll see you guys the next time. And the next video will be more productive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa and I put out videos 1, maybe 2 times a week. All right, bye.
$1,000 I spent for your head.